Okay, I love sharing really quick, easy, and simple meals. This is actually called the 90-second keto muffin. Now, you don't have to be on a keto diet to eat this, but why I like this muffin is because it's super healthy and it only takes less than 2 minutes to make. So, you need all of these ingredients. What you first need to start out with is 1 egg, put it in a mug, and then you want to take oatmeal milk, 1 tablespoon of that, 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. You need 1 tablespoon of coconut flour and 1 tablespoon of almond flour, plus a 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder. Mix it all together, whip it up in the mug, then stick it in the microwave for 90 seconds, and then you take it out, and da-da, you have a complete muffin, and it's delicious. And if you want, you can add some cheese to it too. Look at that. So, it's breakfast on the go without any guilt. If you want the full recipe or more ways to live simple and save with style, head to my blog at Smart Shopper Daphne. And don't forget, I'm Daphne Monroe, your smart shopper. That's